Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing dirt and wax so the paint pen bonds. Use soap, water, then isopropyl alcohol. Once done, mask a perimeter about 1/2 inch from the scratch to protect surrounding paint. You should also shake the pen vigorously for 30 to 60 seconds and depress the tip on a test surface to get pigment flowing. Apply the first thin coat directly into the scratch using light controlled strokes. Make sure the tip stays wet, but avoid overloading the cavity. You'll now build color slowly. Apply thin successive coats into the scratch, allowing about 10 to 15 minutes drying between each to prevent runs. Once the pigment sits slightly raised, feather the edges with tiny overlapping strokes so the repair blends into the surrounding paint. Make sure to reach into low spots with a small brush or toothpick if needed. If filling deep gouges, repeat until the level matches the surrounding surface. Then let everything cure a bit longer before light sanding. You finish by wet sanding very lightly with 2000 grit, only if the surface is high or uneven, then polish with a fine compound to restore gloss. Make sure you use gentle pressure so you don't cut through the repair. Allow the new paint to cure 24 to 48 hours before washing or waxing the area. If the color looks off, don't panic. You can tint a subsequent thin coat or repeat controlled layers to adjust tone. And always remask to protect surrounding paint while correcting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.